What is slow rolling in poker? You've probably seen this in the movies. The hero makes a huge bet, shoving in a massive pile of chips. The villain sneers, says, "I think you're bluffing." And then he calls, shoving in an equally huge stack of chips. The hero, acting surprised and seeming very weak, says, didn't think you'd call me. I just have too little pair." He then pauses dramatically and turns over his cards very slowly, revealing first 1-8 and then a second 8 for a pair of 8s. And then he sighs and he pauses again and says, "Just too little pair of 8s, revealing the third and fourth 8 for 4 8s. The villain looks crushed, the crowd cheers, and the credits roll. That's a classic slow roll, the deliberate delay in showing a winning hand. It can take other forms. A player with the nuts can be facing an all-in bet and feign indecision while he takes his time to ponder whether or not to call, only to eventually reveal he has the nuts. Or he can otherwise delay the final reveal, making his opponent wait or even raising the hopes of his opponent that his opponent may have won, only to gradually demonstrate that he had the winning hand. Some players think that this play, slow rolling, is a fair tactic helping tilt their opponents. Some players think it's funny as they deliberately stick the needle in to raise the expectation of their opponents, only to crush them when they show a monster hand. Other players may be so inexperienced or bad that they do it unintentionally, truly confused about whether they hold the winning hand or not, as they fumble with their cards and say, "I don't know, I have a straight flush, I think," or something like that. But no matter, slow rolling is always bad form. Always. It's bad form for any reason to rub in a loss or to make the painful reveal take any longer than necessary. Just to be clear, though, it's not cheating. My suggestion is that when you have been called, don't get cute, don't get funny, especially if you know you have the best hand. Just turn over your damn cards, rake in the chips, and move on.